morning, students. Today we will discuss about the qualitative analysis. What do you mean by the term qualitative analysis? Qualitative analysis means qualitative analysis means estimate or detect the element present in given organic compound. In the organic compound, which elements are present. If it is organic compound, carbon and hydrogen must be present because organic compounds are basically made up of hydrocarbon. So, first of all, detection of carbon and hydrogen present in organic compounds. For the detection, what is the basic principle? Principle is that if carbon or hydrogen present in organic compound, the organic compound is treated with cuprous oxide, CuO. If this organic compound contain carbon or hydrogen, it will react with copper oxide. Carbon is oxidized to carbon dioxide and hydrogen is oxidized to water. Then copper is reduced, cuprous oxide to copper. Carbon is oxidized, cuprous oxide is reduced. Same for hydrogen. How will you detect carbon dioxide or water is formed? By reaction of organic compound with cuprous oxide. Carbon dioxide turn lime water milky. It is the formula of lime water. If carbon dioxide formed, it turn lime water milky due to formation of calcium carbonate. Clear? And water is detected by passing the water vapors through anhydrous copper sulfate, which is white in color. By absorption of water by copper oxide, it turn blue. Copper sulfide 5H2O. That means copper sulfate absorbed 5 water molecule and turn blue. If copper sulfate turn blue, that means water is present. From where water is get? If hydrogen present in given organic compound. This is the principle. Which procedure you will follow to get these results? The procedure is that we have a test tube in tilted condition containing organic compound, heated over burner, mixed with cuprous oxide. A delivery tube is fitted into it with cork. Clear? And this delivery tube is connected with a bulb containing anhydrous copper sulfate. It will contain anhydrous copper sulfate. What is the color for it? It is white in color. And remaining gas, if formed, is dipped into a test tube filled with lime water. On heating, carbon is oxidized to carbon dioxide and hydrogen is oxidized to water. And if these mixture of gas pass through the delivery tube and if its color is turn blue, that means hydrogen atom is present in given organic compound. And remaining gas pass through another delivery tube into lime water and this lime water turn milky. Then it is clear. Milkiness of lime water confirm the presence of carbon in organic compound and blue color of copper sulfate confirm the hydrogen present in given organic compound. Clear? Beta, beside carbon and hydrogen, some other heteroatom also present in given organic compound. Beta, that may be nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus, halogen or oxygen. For the detection of nitrogen, phosphorus, halogen, beta, we will prepare Lassen's extract. We will prepare Lassen's extract. This Lassen's extract will be prepared that beta in fusion tube. Fusion tube is small glass tube, simple glass tube. Clear? It is the fusion tube. Inside the fusion tube, we will add a crystal, small piece of fresh sodium. Fresh sodium. Then this fresh sodium is heated to remove all the gases if present on the pure metal. Then add organic compound. Heat it up to red hot. Heated it up to red hot. When it is red hot, it will be placed in china dish containing 20 ml of water. Beta, it will contain 20 ml of water. Put this red hot tube, fusion tube into it. Beta, cold water, red hot, it will be break, and boil this on burner up to the volume become half, approximate half. Filtered it and filtrate is known as Lassen's extract. This filtrate is known as Lassen's extract. Beta, if this Lassen's extract is 10 ml of Lassen's extract will be added in number of test tube. In first test tube, test for nitrogen. Lassen's extract test for nitrogen. Beta, for nitrogen, sodium react with nitrogen. Sodium react with nitrogen to give with carbon to give sodium cyanide. Beta, it will give sodium cyanide. This sodium cyanide is again add few drops of sulfuric acid. Add few drops of sulfuric acid and freshly prepare ferrous sulfate. This sodium cyanide react with freshly prepared ferrous sulfate to give a compound, that is sodium react with sulfate to give sodium sulfate, and ferrous ion react with cyanide ion to give iron cyanide plus 2 oxidation state of iron. Then in this solution, beta, we will add concentrated sulfuric acid. Before reaction with sulfuric acid, this iron cyanide again react with sodium cyanide to give a compound. Beta, this compound is most important, that is sodium hexacyanoferrate 2. Sodium hexacyano means 6, ferrate 2 oxidation state. In this compound, we will add concentrated sulfuric acid from the side. Beta, we will get green color or Persian blue color. We will get green or Persian blue color due to the formation of this compound. Sodium ion is removed. Beta, this is known as iron 2 hexacyano iron 3. The color of this compound may be Persian blue or green. if green color solution is obtained or Persian blue color solution is obtained after this test, it will show presence of nitrogen with carbon and hydrogen. Organic compound contain carbon and hydrogen, it is necessary. Beside these, if by Lessons extract test, if we get Persian blue color or green color, that means nitrogen also present in the given organic compound. Now another test that beta after the reaction for test for nitrogen, but we will get red color. After complete test for nitrogen, in place of Persian blue or green, we will get red color. That means nitrogen and sulfur both are present. Because sodium isothiocyanate or sodium thiocyanate is formed. Beta, that is sodium react with sodium thiocyanate and we will get sodium sulfide. This one, sodium react with sulfur, carbon plus nitrogen, we will get this compound. In this compound, iron plus 2 ferrous sulfate react with sodium thiocyanate to give iron thiocyanate, FeSCN3. Plus 2 iron change into plus 3 iron and color of the solution is blood red, or we will say red color. If red color obtained, that means both are present. If blue or green color is obtained, that means only nitrogen is present. Clear? Now test for sulfur. Beta, we have Lessons extract. Now detection of halogen. Beside carbon and hydrogen, halogens may be present in the given organic compound. These halogens may be fluorine, bromine or iodine. Beta, sodium metal react with halogen to give sodium halide. It is the Lessons extract. Clear? Now add few drops of concentrated nitric acid and then add silver nitrate to Lessons extract. Beta, if Lessons extract contain NaCl with silver nitrate, it will give white precipitate of AgCl. Sodium nitrate is removed and we will get white PPTs. If white precipitates are obtained, then we will say chloride ion or chlorine halogen is present in the given organic compound. If there is no white precipitate, chlorine is absent. If bromine is there, we will get pale yellow precipitate of silver bromide. What is the color? Beta, pale yellow, light yellow. And if iodide ion is present, it will give yellow precipitate, dark yellow precipitate of silver iodide. Yellow precipitate. Clear? Now beta, what is the function of nitric acid added to the halide for detection of halogen? What is the function of nitric acid? Beta, nitric acid also acts as oxidizing agent. It will oxidize if any nitrogen or sulfur or few nitrogen or sulfur present. If nitrogen present, it will give sodium cyanide. If sulfur present, In small amount, it will give sodium sulfide. This nitric acid oxidized NaCN into HCN, and it will release in the form of gas. All the nitrogen if present in the given compound is oxidized, or if sulfur present, beta, it will release sulfur as hydrogen sulfide gas. It is the function of nitric acid. It is important question, what is the function of nitric acid during a detection of halogen. Now another, beta, if organic compound contain sulfur, how will you detect sulfur? Beta, we will prepare laces extract sodium, react with sulfur present in organic compound, give sodium sulfide. It is the laces extract. If sulfur present, we will done two tests. First, in 1 ml of laces extract, add few drops of lead acetate. Lead acetate. It will give black precipitate. If black precipitates are obtained, then we will say sulfur is present. Beta, laces extract contain Na2S, and lead acetate is this one. This lead combined with sulfur to give black precipitate of lead sulfide, and sodium acetate is released. It is one test. Another part of laces extract, to the 1 ml of laces extract add sodium nitroprusside. Beta, if violet color is obtained, we will get sulfur is present in given organic compound. Sodium nitroprusside is Na2FeCN5NO, and laces extract contain Na2S. When laces extract is mixed with sodium nitroprusside, it will give 2 and 2 sodium, 4 sodium, CN5, beta NOS, and color of this compound is violet. Color of this compound is violet. If lead acetate contain black precipitate or sodium nitroprusside will produce violet color, then we will set the given organic compound contain sulfur. Now for the detection of phosphorus, if phosphate group present or phosphorus present in given organic compound, how will you identify phosphorus is present in the given organic compound? Beta, there is no laces extract. We will detect it that the given organic compound is treated with sodium peroxide. Given organic compound is treated with sodium peroxide. If phosphorus present, phosphorus combined with sodium peroxide to give sodium phosphate. Beta, it will give sodium phosphate and release sodium oxide. Clear? This sodium phosphate is mixed with nitric acid. To give phosphoric acid and sodium nitrate. Beta, it will give H3PO4, phosphoric acid plus sodium nitrate. This phosphoric acid is mixed with beta ammonium molybdate. Ammonium molybdate. MO molybdenum O4 molybdate with nitric acid. Beta, it will give yellow precipitate of ammonium phosphomolybdate. Ammonium phosphomolybdate. molybdenate, yellow PPTs. If yellow precipitate obtained, we will have phosphorus is present. If with ammonium molybdenate no yellow precipitate, that means phosphorus is absent. And for oxygen beta, there is no special test. By estimation, we will identify the oxygen may be present or may not be present. Thank you.